Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 7 investments for building long-term wealth in 2025. We'll be covering everything from tech stocks to real estate so you can make informed decisions and potentially set yourself up for financial success. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Tech stocks have been on a tear for the past decade, and for good reason. The tech industry is constantly evolving and innovating, creating new products and services that are changing the world. One area of the tech sector that I'm particularly excited about is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is already having a major impact on our lives, and it's only going to become more prevalent in the years to come. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize countless industries. Another area of tech that I'm bullish on is machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. This technology is already being used by companies like Google and Amazon to improve their products and services. Of course, investing in tech stocks is not without its risks. The tech sector is known for its volatility, and there's always the potential for a bubble to burst. That's why it's important to diversify your portfolio and not put all your eggs in one basket. When evaluating tech stocks, look for companies with a strong track record of innovation, a solid management team, and a large addressable market. And if you're patient and disciplined, you'll be well on your way to building a successful investment portfolio. The world is moving towards a more sustainable future, and renewable energy is at the forefront of this transition. With concerns about climate change and the depletion of fossil fuels growing, demand for clean energy sources like solar and wind power is skyrocketing. Investing in renewable energy isn't just about feeling good. It's about tapping into a powerful market trend with huge growth potential. Governments around the world are pouring billions of dollars into renewable energy infrastructure. We're seeing massive solar farms, offshore wind projects, and advancements in energy storage technology. This shift towards renewables is creating opportunities for investors to profit while supporting a cleaner, greener future. The cost of renewable energy has been steadily declining over the years. Solar and wind power are now cost competitive with fossil fuels in many parts of the world. When it comes to investing in renewable energy, you have a few options. You can invest directly in companies that manufacture solar panels, wind turbines, or other renewable energy equipment. Or you can invest in companies that develop and operate renewable energy projects. Real estate has long been considered a cornerstone of wealth building, and for good reason. It's a tangible asset that can provide a steady stream of passive income, appreciate in value over time, and offer tax advantages. While real estate markets can fluctuate, history has shown that well-chosen properties tend to hold their value and generate long-term returns. When we talk about real estate in 2025 and beyond, it's not just about owning a single rental property in your hometown. The world is becoming increasingly interconnected, and emerging markets are presenting exciting opportunities for real estate investors. Think about rapidly developing countries in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. These regions are experiencing population growth, urbanization, and rising middle classes, which is driving demand for housing and commercial real estate. Investing in real estate overseas can seem daunting, but there are ways to mitigate risks. You can partner with local experts who understand the market, diversify your holdings across different countries, and start with smaller investments to test the waters. Of course, you don't have to go international to invest in real estate. The US market still offers plenty of opportunities, especially in growing cities and up-and-coming neighborhoods. Real estate investing isn't for everyone, but if you're willing to put in the work, it can be a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. Now, let's talk about a more passive, but equally powerful investment strategy: index funds. Index funds are like the unsung heroes of the investment world. They're not flashy, they don't require constant monitoring, and they won't make you rich overnight. But they offer something far more valuable: consistent, long-term growth with minimal effort. Think of an index fund like a basket of stocks that tracks a specific market index, such as the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ 100. When you invest in an index fund, you're essentially buying a small piece of all the companies included in that index. This diversification is key to mitigating risk. The beauty of index funds lies in their simplicity and low costs. They're passively managed, meaning you don't have to pay high fees to a fund manager who's trying to pick individual stocks. Over the long term, index funds have consistently outperformed actively managed funds. By investing in index funds, you're essentially betting on the overall growth of the market, which has historically trended upwards over time. Most people are better off sticking with a diversified portfolio of index funds and letting the market do its thing. Cryptocurrency. It's the buzzword that's been dominating financial headlines for the past few years. From Bitcoin's meteoric rise to the emergence of countless altcoins, the world of digital currencies has captured the attention of investors and speculators alike. But is cryptocurrency a viable investment for building long-term wealth? Or is it just a speculative bubble waiting to burst? Let's start by acknowledging the elephant in the room. Cryptocurrency is volatile. Its price can swing wildly in a single day, driven by factors ranging from regulatory news to Elon Musk's tweets. However, beneath the volatility lies a transformative technology with the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and finance. Blockchain, the technology underpinning cryptocurrencies, is a decentralized, secure, and transparent system for recording and verifying transactions. It has the potential to disrupt industries ranging from banking and payments to supply chain management and healthcare. If you do decide to invest in cryptocurrency, treat it like venture capital. Only invest what you can afford to lose, diversify your holdings across different cryptocurrencies, and be prepared for a bumpy ride. Cryptocurrency is a high-risk, high-reward investment, but for those who are willing to do their research, manage their risk, and embrace the volatility, it has the potential to generate significant returns over the long term. The healthcare and biotech industries are on the cusp of a revolution. Advancements in areas like gene editing, personalized medicine, and telemedicine are transforming the way we diagnose, treat, and manage diseases. And as the global population ages and demand for innovative healthcare solutions grows, the investment opportunities in this sector are vast. Think about it. We're living in an era where scientists are developing gene therapies that could potentially cure inherited diseases. Artificial intelligence is being used to analyze medical images with greater accuracy than humans, and wearable devices are empowering individuals to take control of their own health. Investing in these industries is not without its risks, of course. Developing new drugs and therapies is a lengthy and expensive process, and there's always the possibility that a promising treatment will fail in clinical trials. However, the potential rewards for investors who can identify the winners in this space are enormous. One approach is to focus on companies that are developing truly disruptive technologies with the potential to transform the industry. Look for companies with strong intellectual property, a proven track record of innovation, and experienced management teams. Investing in healthcare and biotech requires a certain level of risk tolerance and a long-term investment horizon, but the potential rewards are substantial. All right, let's shift gears now and talk about a more conservative investment strategy: blue-chip stocks. Think of blue-chip stocks as the reliable, steady-eddy investments in your portfolio. They're not going to make you rich quickly, but they provide a solid foundation for long-term growth and stability. Blue-chip stocks are shares of large, well-established companies with a long history of profitability, a strong track record of paying dividends, and a reputation for weathering economic storms. These are companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble, household names that have been around for decades, if not centuries. Investing in blue-chip stocks is like owning a piece of the American economy. These companies are often leaders in their industries, with strong brand recognition, global reach, and a loyal customer base. They generate consistent profits, pay out a portion of those profits to shareholders in the form of dividends, and tend to hold their value over time. The point of investing in blue-chip stocks is to provide stability and balance to your portfolio. Think of it this way: blue-chip stocks are like the anchor of a ship. They keep your portfolio steady during turbulent market conditions, allowing you to weather the storms and come out stronger on the other side. Investing in blue-chip stocks is a long-term game, but it's one that has stood the test of time. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 7 investments for long-term wealth in 2025. Remember, investing is a personal journey, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The best investments for you will depend on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your wealth. And as always, do your own research, consult with a financial advisor if needed, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. See you in the next video.